Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to archive and unarchive Instagram post. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in open Instagram application, then get logged in into your account. At the homepage of Instagram, you need to tap on profile icon on bottom of right screen. Inside your profile here, you can see there is one post in my profile. You tap and open the post. Then you need to tap on three dotted vertical line on top of the picture. There you can see the option of archive. You tap on it. As you can see, the post has been archived. There is no post in my profile. Now to unarchive the post, you need to tap on three horizontal line on top right of your screen. There you need to tap on archive. Now there you can see the post I archived just recently. To unarchive it, you need to tap on three dotted vertical line on top of the picture. There you can see the option of show on profile. You tap on it. Now go back to your profile, refresh the page. There you can see the post shown in my profile again. This is how you can archive and unarchive the Instagram post. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to archive and unarchive the Instagram post. Thank you.